Yes, this is a boy Bunny coming to you. Today is the day when the rain busts. We got the 5 hottest day in the UK. Every day for the last 5 days, we have over 30 degree, 32 degree, 35 degree. And today the rain busts. I don't have to go and water my plants today. Hooray for the rain. So all my plants, they've been self-watering today because today the rain is finally here in the UK. So today we have thunderstorm, we have lightning, and we have rain. You can hear the thunder in the background. As I said, I don't have to go and water my plants today. So hooray again to the rain. And here the kids are out there playing in the rain. They love it. They're playing in the rain. This is the boy Bunny giving you a little preview of the UK weather. After 5 days of baking sun, we get some rain to cool us down. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Look, there's lightning. There's a lightning just flash. Yeah, so we're getting lightning, thunder, and rain at the same time. Yes. Can you hear the thunder? Yeah, this is in Luton, and this is the type of weather that we've been getting. Rain, rain, rain. This is the boy Bunny. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments. And don't forget to subscribe. So if you're new to this channel, just hit that subscribe button and turn that red to gray and be a part of this family. Your boy Bunny in and out. Enjoy the weather in the UK. Bless.